Now, the question in the exam will look something like this. If you have this angle to be 160, what's x? Since all of it is 360, so x is just going to be 360 minus 160, which is 200. Now this is an easy one. Let's just do another one. If we have this nice shape and they told us this is a right angle and they told us this is again 160, what's x? So the three of them add up to 360. Then x is just 360 minus 160 minus the right angle, which is 90. And that gives you x equal 110. Now, let's do this. I'll do the first one. I'll leave the next one for you. Now, for the first question here, all of them add up to 360. The three of them, because it's a point. So we will do 360. X plus 100 plus 130. They all add up to 360. X plus x is 2x, and 100 plus 130 is 230. So that's 2x plus 230 equals 360. Move the 230 to the other side. You get 2x equals 360 minus 230, which is 130. To get just x, divide by 2. X is equal to 65. Easy peasy. Now, this is yours. Please pause, try it, and comment your answer. If you got it wrong, nothing will happen. I will just comment. I'll show you how to do it correctly. Next part. Intersecting lines. This is an easy